Upload videos to YouTube? You need to feed that YouTube monster. Let's cut through all the blah blah BS. There are two goals for your videos. Number one is give YouTube enough info to know what your video is all about. Number two is give potential viewers enough info to know what your video is all about. I bet you had those backwards or not at all. If you don't care, then get out of here. Just go ahead, go away, see ya. If you do, you need to, number one, upload the video properly. 2, create a compelling thumbnail. 3, upload the thumbnail. 4, give YouTube everything it needs. 5, give your viewers watch options. 6, give viewers more value. 7, control aggressive and obnoxious ads. 8, entice viewers to comment and like. 9, thank viewers for watching. 10, get that initial view count going. 11, utilize playlists in each video. 12, make it public the right way. 13, get more views from other sources. 14, handle viewer engagement. 15, notify subscribers it's live. No matter what content you create, if you're not doing those, YouTube won't promote your videos, which means no more subscribers, no more views. Let's take a close look at these. 1, upload the video. Drag or open the video to be uploaded, click through the screens and wait for the upload process to complete. We'll fill out all that info later. Make sure you upload the video as unlisted. 2, create a thumbnail. If you haven't already, use the upload time to create a good thumbnail for your video. There's plenty of other videos that cover what a good thumbnail is. Do not use a suggested YouTube thumbnail. 3, upload thumbnail. The video is probably done uploading and processing by now. Complete the thumbnail if not already done and upload it to the video. 4, feed YouTube. Tell YouTube everything you can about your video. Your title should be around 60 characters long, simple, and obvious to the viewer. The main keywords, or what the video is about, should be obvious in the title. The description should be filled out completely with everything you can about the video. Now add as many keywords as you can that directly relate to the video or your YouTube channel. The more information you give YouTube about the video, the better YouTube can determine what it's about, who to serve the video to. YouTube looks at all this and goes, yeah, got it. I know what this video is all about, how to file it, and who to serve it up to. The viewer sees the thumbnail, scans the title, decides to click, and watches your video. These things work together and are worth the time spent. 5, add chapters. Add chapters to your video so the viewer can watch what interests them. I made an entire video on this, noted in the description below. It's not that you'll lose watch time as viewers are clicking to other points in your video. It's that you'll keep viewers engaged as they have a choice of what to watch in your video instead of bailing on parts they don't care about. 6, add Endscreens. I suggest you have an everything playlist you add every video to and use that playlist. Next would be suggested for the viewer. YouTube will only add your videos to this and suggest, based on the viewer watching preferences, which video of yours to serve up next. Add the subscribe element to remind viewers to subscribe to your channel. I mean, it's not like they get to the end of the video and go, oh yeah, I think I should subscribe. You gotta tell them. Once this is set up, you can click to load the last end screen layout automatically to each and every video you upload from now on. 7, remove ads. If you use ads, always click the YouTube editor to see what YouTube is doing. You'll find way too many interruptive mid-roll ads by YouTube at odd places. Personally, I only allow 1 ad per video and make sure to place it at an appropriate point so the video doesn't cut to an ad at a weird place. For fun, I am now adding a black screen that says this. It helps me find the point where I want to place the ad after uploading and makes viewers laugh. 8, like your own video. When people see a like already present, they tend to also like the video. It's not arrogant if you don't like your own video. I mean, come on, really? Pin a comment. Add your own comment to the video and pin it to the top. It's especially helpful to thank people for watching and viewing and pointing out something silly you may have messed up in the video. 10, watch the video. When someone comes to view a video and has 0 views, many times they'll bail. Watch your video at least 3 to 4 times, and yes, YouTube will count those initial views from you. 11, add playlists. Remember that everything playlist? You should have an everything playlist, and if you don't, create one using this drop down and add the video to it. Add every video you've ever made or will make to this playlist. That's what gets shown on those end screens covered earlier. 12, release the video. Click here and choose to make the video public. YouTube sends out notifications to subscribers and people start watching your video. 13, share the video. Use these share buttons on your video to promote it to whatever social media channels you have connected. When someone views that video on that service, it all works the same and counts as views. 14, respond to comments. When someone takes the time out of their day to watch and comment on your video, you should respond to those comments. That's how you slowly build an audience that watches your videos and stays engaged. 15, post to community. If you have a community tab, also share the video there so subscribers who may have missed the notification know a new video is posted. It does help. Next steps. The next steps are go make another video and do all the same things in this checklist. Want a deep dive in how to create a video from A to Z? Check out the card that should appear up here somewhere or in the description below. Hey, don't you click away yet, I'm not done. Check out my new YouTube Academy course, 21 exact steps for successful YouTube channel without all the blah 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 BS. All the links are in the video description below. I hope that helps, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. 10. Watch the video. When someone comes to view a video and it 10. Watch the video. When someone comes to view a video and it has 0 views, many times they'll bail. Watch your video. Man, that is fast. Woo! You should have an everything playlist. A playlist. YouTube sends out notifications. YouTube sends out notifications. There's notifications going out. When someone takes the time to watch and comment on your video, you should respond to those comments. And if you don't, you're a butt bag. When someone views the video on that service, it all works the same and... What is that? All the kinks are in the video. Hey, check out the video description. There be kinks in there. I'm still not done. Now we're done.